If you're looking for a quick and easy way to host webinars with GetResponse, you're in the right place. But before you dive in, there are a few things you need to know, especially if you want the best experience and don't want to overpay for features you might not even need. Stick around till the end because I'll show you how to get an exclusive extended free trial and some even better alternatives if you want the best value for your webinars. So let's get into it. The first thing, setting up your webinar in GetResponse is pretty straightforward. Once you're logged in, go to the Webinars section and click Create Webinar. Name your session, set the date and time, and choose your access type, public or password protected. A big plus here is the built-in registration page, but customization is a bit limited compared to some competitors. Next thing, engaging with your audience. GetResponse lets you share your screen, run polls, and use a live chat. But here's the catch, the polls and interactive features aren't as advanced as platforms like Demio or Webinar Jam, which have better automation. If engagement is your priority, you might feel a little restricted here. The third thing, **email automation and reminders. Since GetResponse is an email marketing platform first, its webinar reminder emails are solid. You can set up automated sequences to remind attendees, but here's a downside. You'll need to be on a higher tier plan to get access to most automation features. The fourth thing, recording and replay options. GetResponse lets you record webinars, but the storage is limited, and you'll likely have to upgrade if you run multiple sessions. Some alternatives like Zoom and Webinar Ninja offer more flexible storage options without forcing an upgrade. And here's where things get interesting, pricing. GetResponse bundles webinars with email marketing, which can be great, but if you only need webinars, you're paying extra for features you might not use. There's no dedicated webinar-only plan, which means even basic webinar hosting can get pricey. So here's the deal, if you need a webinar platform that integrates tightly with email marketing, GetResponse can work. But if you want better automation, more interactive features, or a webinar-specific tool, I've added some better alternatives with free trials in the description. Plus, through our link, you'll get an exclusive extended free trial of GetResponse with bonus perks that aren't available anywhere else. Check it out below.